Good day, everyone. Welcome to Science for Young Minds with Merivit Education Center. This series is for Term 6. This is Teacher Joy.
Today, we are going to learn about digestive system. First, how do we digest the food we eat? Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in food are too big to be digested, so the foods are broken down during the process called digestion. When you hear the word digestive system, what comes into your mind? Yes, it is a group of organs that work together to break down food and to remove undigested food. There are a lot of different parts of the digestive system. Let's learn them one by one. First, we have the mouth. Then we have esophagus. Then we have liver. Another part is the stomach. Next, we have gallbladder. Next part, pancreas. Also, we have small intestine. Then we have large intestine. Next, we have rectum. And lastly, we have anus. First, we have the mouth. Digestion begins in the mouth and the food is mixed with saliva. The teeth grinds the food into smaller pieces and the tongue helps it mix with the saliva. It helps push the food into the correct esophagus. Next part. So this is the esophagus. It is a long tube that connects the throat and the stomach. It also pushes the chewed food from the mouth going to correct stomach. Next part. So this is the stomach. Stomach's function is to store food and also to release it to the small intestine. Good job! Next part, the small intestine. It is where the food is mixed with bile, pancreatic juice, and intestinal juice. Digested nutrients move out of the small intestine and enters into the blood. The small intestine is very long and narrow. It allows time for the nutrients to be digested and absorbed into the blood. Next part, liver. The liver makes bile and stores it in the gallbladder. Bile breaks down fats in the small intestine. The next part. So this is the gallbladder. It is a small pouch that is located under the liver. The gallbladder stores bile produced by the liver. After meal, the gallbladder is empty and flat like a deflated balloon. Before a meal, the gallbladder may be full of bile and about the size of a small pear. Next part. So this is the pancreas. It is about the size of a hand. Now during digestion, pancreas makes pancreatic juices called the enzymes. These enzymes break down sugars, fats, and starches. Also, pancreas helps the digestive system by making hormones. The large intestine. Undigested food enters the large intestine. It absorbs water, minerals, and vitamins from the undigested food into the body. It pushes the food waste into, very good, rectum. Excellent. So the next part. Now this is the rectum. It is the lower end of the large intestine. The rectum stores stool until it pushes stool out of the anus during a bowel movement. And the last part, so this is the anus. Now, anus is the opening at the lower end of the large intestine. So it is where the feces pass through. Now, let's review what we've learned today. Are you ready? Great! That's all for the functions of each organs in the digestive system. So how do we keep our digestive system healthy? 1. Wash our hands. 2. Cook food fully. 3. Chew our food more. 4. Exercise regularly. Now, let's try to name the different parts of our digestive system. Number 1. Mouth. Amazing! How about number 2? Esophagus. Great job! Number 3. Liver. Fantastic! Number 4. Stomach. Good job! How about number 5? Gallbladder. Perfect! Number 6. Okay, pancreas. Amazing! Number 7. Small intestine. Great job! Number 8. Okay, it's the large intestine. Fantastic! Number 9. Okay, it's the rectum. And number 10, anus. Perfect!
Thank you and see you on next episode.